FUCHS provides comprehensive, high-performance solutions for electric batteries. Solutions that cover the entirety of the battery lifecycle, with global availability for a simpler, more sustainable supply chain. As your lubrication partner, FUCHS is here to support you along every step of your journey, from manufacturing to assembly to on the road. No matter your battery manufacturing challenge, we guarantee FUCHS has the products, services, and technical expertise to solve it. Whether it be in the enclosure, cell can, or even the equipment used to manufacture them. But we don't stop there. FUCHS is also here to support you throughout your assembly process, with heat conductive pastes and gap fillers, innovative electrolytes from our partners at ELYTE, and even thermal fluids to reduce battery temperatures and improve energy efficiency. Our connector grease helps improve the electrical reliability of your design, while our premium screw coatings and corrosion preventatives help protect your designs to last longer. FUCHS is there for you as your designs hit the open road with fluids to help you charge your vehicles safely and efficiently, and maintenance solutions to help your designs go the extra mile. We're here for you every step of the way. FUCHS is moving your world,